This morning, we want to highlight Walden Family Services, the nonprofit celebrating 50 years of helping shape foster care services. Joined now by Teresa Stivers, the CEO, to tell us more about this wonderful organization. Teresa, thanks for coming in here. Wow, 50 years.
Yes, it's been an incredible 50 years of helping children, family, and youth here in San Diego County.
Yeah, for people that don't know about Walden, all the wonderful things you've done over these years, let's refresh their memory here.
Well, we started out doing group homes. We transitioned into foster care when the research showed that was better for children.
Okay.
And then we started working with older youth and making sure that they don't go from foster care to prison or homelessness pipeline. So we moved into housing. So we've really transitioned over the years to make sure that we meet the needs of the community.
Sure. There's a lot of work that goes into that process,
Yes,
right? I mean,
yes.
Tell us about the incredible staff and the dedication.
We have an incredible team. Most of them are bachelor's levels and master level social workers. They're very dedicated to their jobs. They didn't get into this field because of the great paychecks.
Sure, sure.
They got into this field because they want to make a difference in our community, and they're doing that every single day.
There's people out there that may be considering fostering. What do you want to tell them? How do you walk them through that process?
Foster care is an incredible opportunity to make a difference in the life of a child.
Yeah.
It is not for everybody, and I think that's why that people should look very carefully at all the different options out there, starting with the County of San Diego and other nonprofit organizations, and shop around and see what is the best fit for you.
I'm sure you've seen many stories how lives have been changed, both for the foster parent and the child, right? Can you tell me about some success stories?
Oh, absolutely. There are so many success stories, and that's what makes the hard work
Yeah.
worth it every day. In fact, I'm still in touch with folks that I have mentored
really?
for over 25 years. And I think when we see the success stories, that's what makes the hard work worth it. People
Yeah.
who are now giving back to the community, working in foster care, mentoring, doing all of the things. A lot of them have become social workers themselves
Sure.
because they've seen the impact that social workers make in their lives. And our foster parents, I want to say, are angels on earth.
Right, absolutely they are. You touched on the community impact. This is helping our community. This is helping San Diego. This is helping young people thrive. Right? Can you
Absolutely.
remind our viewers how important these services are to San Diego as a community here?
Yeah, what I don't think people understand is this is investment in our community.
Absolutely.
When we invest in people while they're young, what we're doing is we're saving taxpayer dollars by spending less in prison
Sure.
construction, by saving less in homelessness services. So you can take the same amount that it costs to imprison someone or help them when they're homeless for a year, and you can help 10 youth.
Right,
So it
right.
really is an investment, and most importantly, it's making our community a safer place and healthier place for all of us.
Yeah, those civic expenses, we talk a lot about the budget here on the show. They've
Yeah.
been going through budgets, cutting a lot of things.
Absolutely.
So they're watching how much they spend. They have to worry less about this when they're in homes, right? The youth are in good homes.
Perhaps
Yeah.
if we can give young people the educational and the employment support that they need so that they don't have to rely on the system when they're
Yeah.
adults, we're saving all of ourselves dollars in the long run. Plus, we're making sure that we're not perpetuating the cycle of child abuse, neglect, poverty, reliant on government services.
Sure. That's a big benefit to the
Absolutely.
entire San Diego County. Some new programs that are going to be on the horizon. You guys are 50 years, but you're not done yet. You're coming up
No.
with new ideas, new programs. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we have to. We have to keep up with the needs of the community. And right
Sure.
now, what the community is telling us is times are tough. Grocery prices are through the roof, rent, gasoline, et cetera. Even people who have been successfully graduated through our programs are suffering. Everybody is hurting right now in this economy. Inflation
Yeah.
is not, it's higher than what our pay wages.
Sure.
And so what we're doing is looking at, based on the feedback of our community, is that we're going to be starting an alumni program for
Okay.
those who've already finished our program, but they still need a sense of community because they don't have that family support that most of us have. And also a food pantry, because food insecurity is growing right now. It's going to get worse. Today there's some big issues that are happening with people being able to receive food benefits.
Sure.
So we want to make sure that our community is well fed, they're well educated, they have all the employment opportunities that are available out
Yeah.
there, and that they're going to be successful adults.
Okay, and if the public wants to help out in any way, fostering or financially, they can help out. Is there a website we can send people to so they can learn more about the program and how they can do their part and help out?
Absolutely. We need all the support that we can get. Go to waldenfamily.org, learn to figure out how you can volunteer, work in our food pantry, mentor a youth, or even make a donation, whatever is easiest for you.
Lots of ways to help out. Teresa, thanks for coming in.
Thanks
for
you.
everything you do in the community.
Thank you.